told you guys about the meal planning from the other day. As you can hear, there is a burger sizzling. Diego's doing some ABC. What do you got? What is it?
It's dog.
A wolf.
Hey, a wolf.
Yeah. There is some French fries going. I'm gonna cut some lettuce and tomato and onion. And I just finished with some pork chops for Javier's dinner. And so meal planning is really helping out. To finish Javier's lunch, I glazed the pork chops. They're shadowy. It's not gonna be the best lighting. With some of this Asian Zing Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. And I used candied yams that he really likes. So there is that. And then I got the little pieces of cornbread that I'll tinfoil up. So that's what he's gonna bring to lunch at work today. Now that I am finished making my husband's dinner, I'm making us some lunch. I'm just gonna use the same pan I used for the pork chops and make some bacon over here while I'm making the hamburgers over here. I got a Walmart pickup order and didn't read the dimensions of this pan. And I wondered why it was so cheap. It's a little baby pan. So I need to get the mother soon. And because I really like that pan. It's easy to wash out. It's a non-stick. So yeah, working on some bacon burgers right now. Stay tuned. I got some veggies done. Some bacon. I pattied up all my patties. I have a hot dog bun salt shaker. And then I've got my burger. Grease is flying everywhere. Trying to cook too in my little bitty pan. Don't worry about the paper plates, but this is the final product minus some sauces that we're gonna add on it. But look at there. It looks pretty good if I do say so myself. It is way later in the afternoon now and I am relaxing, but I just wanted to say that there is a lot of benefits to meal prepping. Doing the Walmart pickup, for one, saves lots of time in the store and helps me not to overspend and just grab a ton of extra things. Every now and then it gets frustrating because I forget something and I would have remembered it seeing it in the store. But usually overall it is a positive experience, and sometimes it's just a lot easier for a mom of 2 toddlers to do a Walmart pickup. But meal prepping is good as well. With a family as busy as us, I like to have at least 3 to 4 meals kind of just picked out for the week. That way if we go out to eat, it's fine, but we have meals in rotation that we can also have. So I was just sharing my life with you guys. Sorry we are not really Salgados on the go as much. We just bought this house and I have not wanted to leave it. And so hopefully we will be trying a few restaurants here soon and going out a little bit more. But right now it's been in the 90s and I'm getting used to living in a new place and just kind of enjoying being where I am. And so if you kind of enjoy more of like the home content, I'll have more of that coming. And if you are here solely for our travel content, we should be going and doing some fun things soon if I can get out of my house. But thank you guys for watching, and we will see you soon.